What is going on, guys? Long time no see. As you can see here, I have nothing on my nails. I am going to go ahead and clean up these cuticles and oh, sweet Jesus, get all this stuff that's coming off my nails. Ugh, get rid of it. Clean these bad boys up, you guys. And I have a polygel kit. And I've always wanted to try polygel and I've never tried it. So, sit back and relax, you guys, and watch me do polygel for the first time. All right, y'all, I'm just going to talk to you guys like I'm in the nail shop, chopping it up with the nail lady, except for that's me this time, and you guys are going to be my audience. So, I'm in California, guys. These fires are crazy. It has been super crazy. The weather has been horrible. It's so hard to breathe. There's fires all around us. Thankfully, I'm not close enough where I think I'm going to have to evacuate. I'm about an hour, hour and a half from some of them. Actually, there's some that are a little closer to me, which is pretty scary, but thank God we're all okay right now. But it's really bad. So if you guys are in California or if you're around the area that is affected, I will say a prayer for you guys. Hopefully you guys are okay. You guys get out safe and nobody's homes are lost. California is not doing so good, you guys. Also, I just wanted to say thank you guys for showing me love on my previous video. I really do appreciate it, you guys. I appreciate all the support. And I have 9 subscribers. That's pretty cool. So if you're new, don't forget to subscribe to see more content. And thank you guys. I appreciate it. All right, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and smooth this out a little bit and clean up these edges, you guys. I decided to do these nails because my best friend is having a baby shower tomorrow and she is going to do a social distancing shower. There's only going to be like 7 or 8 people. I am for sure going with a mask and I am staying clear of everybody, you guys. Corona is no joke. So, yeah. Um, but I thought it'd be pretty cool to do a pink set of nails in honor of her baby girl. This is her first girl. She has 2 boys, so it's very exciting. I myself have one of each, one boy and one girl. Um, they are doing online school, so I've become a teacher. So I've been a little bit busy with, the kids, family stuff. That's life. And also trying to get my page up and running, you guys. I did get a Shopify account and I registered my domain name. So that is set up. I just have to figure out how to do my layout. I've been having a little issues with that. I did buy a new laptop. It was my birthday, you guys, last weekend. Happy birthday to me. So I decided to treat myself and get a laptop for my birthday. So these past few weeks, you guys have been kind of crazy, just adjusting to things. But stick around, you guys. More videos coming soon. All right, you guys. I'm just looking at the kit that I got. I did get the Model Ones kit. I purchased it off of their website, you guys. I want to say I paid like 40 something dollars. They had a percent off coupon or something. But you know what? It freaking took like 2 months to get here. I also got this Tiffany's pink. I ordered these separate from the actual kit because the kit came with little tiny bottles. And I think these were like half off, like $3 I paid. So it wasn't bad at all, you guys. Glitter Princess, this is the other color I'm going to be using, you guys. Just wanted to show you and let you know. I think the next set of poly that I do order is going to be off of Amazon because ordering directly from the website took way too long. Okay, you guys, so here I have the base coat. I'm going to apply these. I've already buffed my nails up. I'm going to apply these on my nails and cure for 60 seconds, and then we're going to get started, guys. So let me go ahead and skip ahead so I do not bore. So here I am applying the poly to the nail, you guys. It did go on pretty smooth. I find that it was easy to manipulate. My only issue was it was kind of hard for me to hold the nail and maneuver right. So I thought it was a bright idea to put it on one of my nail tabs and stick it, thinking that maybe I can use that. But that doesn't work. You just have to hold it right in your hand, you guys. It's hard to explain, but me applying it to my little nail bobber like this did not work, because when I went to put it on my actual nail, it's the stupid tacky stuff, the blue stuff, whatever it's called, was a pain, and it stuck, and I had to take it off. Yada yada. So don't try that. Just hold in your hands. All right, you guys. Like I said, you guys, this is my first time doing this, so give a girl a break. But if you guys have any pointers, tips, leave them down below. I appreciate it. I will definitely take some constructive criticism. Yeah, so here I am pushing it down a little bit. They said don't push it down super hard, so I'm not. And I went ahead and cleaned the edges up, you guys, and I'm curing it. This is the only nail I'm doing in the clear glitter. The rest I'm going to do all pink. So cure it for 60 seconds on the top, and then flip the nail. And you're supposed to cure it on the bottom too. Well, when I went to remove the nail, you guys, the freaking thing did not remove. And here I am pulling it out, and here I go to think I'm going to remove it and realize it's a no-go. So it was at that moment I realized I had f***ed up and decided to do the lazy girl method, which is just leaving the dang nail on top. So if you know why this did not come off, I don't know if it's because I didn't use the right nails, let me know. So that's what I'm thinking, you guys. Is it because of the dual forms? I don't know. But anyways, I decided to do the lazy girl method and continue on with the journey, because I already got one nail off and I really don't know how I'm going to take it off. I haven't even looked up how to take off polygel, so if you guys know, leave a comment down below. I would appreciate it. Now I'm just applying it gently, you guys. If you put too much polygel and it's too thick, when you go to press down, it is going to come oozing out of the sides. I did learn that myself from experience. Again, this is my very first time trying this, so trial and error, you guys. You live and you learn. You make mistakes and you correct them. But I went ahead and just continued on, you guys. I think it was really easy to manipulate, really easy to use. I think it's very user friendly and a whole heck of a lot easier than acrylic. And I really like the way these came out, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and skip ahead so you guys can see what my nails look like. And here they are all on, you guys. I think they came out pretty good for my first time. Not bad. I definitely think I did pretty good, and I ain't mad at them. I just don't know how to take them off, so I'll have to Google that. But I'm going to go ahead and just file these down a little bit, buff the sides, you guys. There's some imperfections. I'm just going to clean them up a little bit, make sure they're all smooth so I can put my top coat on. Okay, so the kit did come with the top coat, but I seem to misplace it and I need to get these done. So I'm using my Beetles Top It Off Top Gel. I just love the way they come together whenever you put the top coat on, because it just makes them look so shiny and so beautiful, and you get to see the finished product and what they're really going to look like. Let me finish painting these, curing these for 30 seconds, and I'll show you what they're going to look like. And here they are, you guys, all finished. I love the glitter. I love the pink. I think they turned out amazing. Again, this is my first time. If you guys have any advice, I would appreciate it. I think I will be using polygel. I mean, it saves me so much money from going to get my nails done. Not like we really can with the whole pandemic going on anyways. But yeah. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you know when I upload and you never miss a video. You guys, I will be posting another video within the next couple days, you guys. I want to show you some of the sets of press-ons that I have created and done that I am selling. And I want to show you what else I'm going to be adding on my page, you guys. I'm not just going to be selling press-ons. I do have other stuff. So make sure you subscribe so you can come along this journey with me. Hopefully my Shopify will be up within the week. I just have to figure out how to do the layout. And that is all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!